So the Traeger doesn't have to be an all-day thing. As much as I love the briskets and the pork shoulder, you can do something in about an hour. And one of those things is this reverse-seared steak. So I've got a couple of New York steaks. They're about 1.5 inches thick. And I have, put a lot of salt and pepper, seasoned them with salt and pepper on both sides for about 2 hours. That's the only prep you need. And then I'm gonna put this right into the grill. And I wanna show you something. I've got about 225-degree internal temperature. I know that because I've got my NutriChef thermometer, and I've got one of the probes that I'm not going to use for inside the meat. I'm going to use it for inside, registering the inside of the smoker. So then what I'll do is I'll put these in right on the grill. Don't have to turn them at all. 225, and I'll leave them in there until I have an internal temperature of 110. So I've got my probe. I'm just going to put that right in the middle. So that goes right in the middle of that steak. They're both these steaks are about the same size, so it shouldn't be a problem. Shut that, and about 45 minutes to an hour, it'll be ready for the sear. So I've got an internal temperature I'm reading here at about 110, which is going to be somewhere between rare and medium rare. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to leave that one in a little bit longer for my lovely wife, Donna. And let's take this one over here. Now, I've got my cast iron skillet up pretty darn high. Let's just say that, pretty darn high. And I've got some grapeseed oil in there, which has got a 420-degree flash point or smoke point, which means it's not going to burn until it gets really hot. So let's go for the sear, baby. Go ahead and turn this over. For those of you that want a little butter flavor, we're going to put a pat right on top and let that melt. Okay, we've seared it for a good couple minutes on either side. Now, let's see what it looks like on the inside. Nice, nice. Smoky, nice sear, nice crust, caramelized. That little bit of butter at the end. I can't think of a better way to cook a steak.